John, and tonight's program is about Michael Chugg, who is one of the greatest concert promoters in the whole wide world, and certainly the greatest Australian promoter out there. He's been doing it for a long time, like myself. We've known each other for an awful long time, and we've all had our ups and downs. We've both had an incredible life, crazy, and now a little slower paced. But he is one of the great characters of the music industry, and tonight is his Australian story.
Joe's just given me this wonderful pen for my 60th birthday from Tiffany & Co. Guess what it's got? The inscription, wanker.
You steal and drink, Percy.
I remember that.
Hey?
I've always wanted it.
You steal and drinks.
Wanker.